Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into your DM Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search DM Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to myinfo.dmpayroll.com/login. It will then take you to the login portal of DM Payroll. There, enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access a DM Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.